Hello, Viet Anh.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Okay, so how are you, Viet Anh?
I'm fine.
Okay, wait a minute. I will just inform the center that you are here now. Okay, so why are you late for a few
I
minutes?
forgot because I am studying
Oh, really? What is the lesson that you are studying?
math, physics.
Math and physics. Even at night, you still study?
Um, Physics is what does I don't know.
But why do you study? It's already late at night.
Yes, because I don't have much time because I must study literature, English, math, and
Hmm.
physics with.
Okay. Okay, so are we finished with this one, Viet Anh? Because I forgot. Maybe we are just in the vocabulary part. Do you think? Here.
We start movie. The last lesson we study lesson is movie.
Okay, movie. So this is a new one. Okay, so let's begin right now, Viet Anh. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, so our lesson for tonight will be topic 3, American history. Okay, wait a minute. I will just write. Okay. So it's
Yes.
American history or diaries. Okay, so Viet Anh, what do you mean by a diary? Do you have any idea?
No.
Okay, so a diary, this is something like a notebook that we write our thoughts or important details about every day of our lives, okay?
Yes.
It's like a planner. Okay,
Oh.
so let's see. All right, so we have here some vocabulary words. Do you have to write it?
Yes. I'm
Okay.
ready.
Okay, tell me when you're done writing.
Yes. I finished.
Okay. So, can you read the following words, please?
Diary, historical, document, detail, event. I live, alive, pioneer,
What's number 6 again?
alive.
Yes, very good. It's alive. Okay. Now, as you can see on the Vietnamese translation, what do you mean by diary, Viet Anh?
Is the same um
Mm-hmm.
exam. I have a notebook.
Okay.
I go camping. I
Mm-hmm.
will write some place we went.
Yes, that's correct. So it's like a notebook, and then when you have a trip or when you go travel, you will write the experiences that you have on your diary. Okay, very
Yes,
good. Okay, so now let's proceed. Okay. So we have number 8 to 14 words right here. Are you going to write it?
yes. I finished.
Okay, very good. So can you read now the words Viet In?
Warren, Warren,
Again, what's number 8?
Warren,
Oh, that is wagon or wagon.
Oregon,
Mm-hmm.
alongside,
Okay.
travel, read, record, mistake, symbol,
Simple.
symbol.
Okay, very good. So what do you mean by alongside?
I don't know.
Okay, so alongside means it is beside or along the road. Okay, you can see this one along the road, or for example, the store is beside the road. So we call it alongside. Okay,
Yes.
okay. So now this is a text or a story about a diary. Okay, can you read it? Get in.
Did you know that diaries are historical documents? Diary from past tell story of day gone by. The people who wrote them took the time to write things as they saw them. They give them to about even and people they knew it right come alive in the word they wrote on the paper. Then we have learned about how people live and was important to them.
Okay, next one.
Diary of the planet on a rare day we have help to understand the hard time the pupil faced. They tell how they came looking for land to buy home.
Mm-hmm.
Darius tells story about traveling in Cove Gragon. Gragon. They describe how children walk alongside the Gagarin and often will no shoe on the path. They tell snake and will animal crossing will river water. Then read this kind attack how many travelers got sick and how it feels to read the God.
Okay, there goes. Okay, I will continue reading, okay, because this is long. Okay, I will help you. Many diaries of the Oregon Trail have been made into books. These diaries or records helps us understand how people lived on the Oregon Trail. They help us understand what went right and what went wrong. These diaries help us learn
And
from their mistakes. They show us how to enjoy the simple things in life. Okay, so let's proceed to useful structures. So the sentence or the phrase that we are going to use is reach someone's goal. Can you say it one more time?
yes, this someone go.
Very good. Okay, how about the translation? Can you read it?
Chăm tới đích.
Cham toy dik.
Yes,
Okay,
chăm tới đích.
cham toy dik.
Chăm
Cham
tới
toy
đích.
dik.
Yes.
Okay, that's very hard to say. Okay, now this is an example of a sentence. I was very happy because I reached my goal. Okay, so now Viet Anh, can you make an example sentence using reach someone's goal?
My my brother was very happy because my brother reaches my goal.
Okay, very good. So next one. Okay, so right now, Viet Anh, we are going to answer some questions about diaries, okay? But you can look for the answer here. So, number one, what are some of the hardships listed above that pioneers had to face? Okay, you can look for your answer there. Don't worry.
A.
Okay, it's letter C sickness, snakes, and attacks. Okay, so question number two, which of the following diary entries was most likely written by a pioneer?
Is C.
Okay, it's letter A. One of the wheels broke on the wagon today. Okay, question number 3. In this passage, the author states that diaries from the past are helpful to us because
C.
it's letter B. They tell us how the writer felt and what he or she saw and heard. Okay, question number 4. If there were no diaries of the past, we would
Have to information.
letter C. Not know much of what happened in the past periods. All right, so question number 5. How diaries help us?
Tell story of day.
Yes. Or it helps us to learn about how people lived and what was important to them. Anyway, your answer is still correct. Okay, so question number 6. How do diaries describe the children?
They did cry how children were alongside the wagon and often wore no shoe on the path.
Okay, they describe how children walked alongside the wagons and often wore no shoes on the path. Okay, 2 points now. So, next question. Into which many diaries of the Oregon Trail have been made?
Mm. Good for me.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. So what?
Diary describe attack, how many travel got sick, and how it feels to reach the goal.
Okay, answer is books. Next one, number 8. Diaries help us to learn what was blank to people and how they lived. Okay, wait a minute, Piet-Ain. I will just go to the restroom. Okay, so you have your answer now.
I don't see because have a rate.
Ah, there's something. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, can you see it now?
Oh, I see.
Mm-hmm.
Important.
Yes, important. Very good. 3 points. Okay, next one. These diaries help us learn from their
Success.
error. Okay, so just in time, we are finished with the first part. Get in. Okay, wait for me. I will open one more.
Yes.
All right, so our lesson for tonight is
The weather.
yes, the weather. Very good. Okay, so right now, you have to listen and finish the exercises, okay?
Yes.
Okay, so before that, get in, let's have some new words here. Can you read it?
Weather. Forecast. International. Traveler. Cold, hot, windy, warm, wet.
Mm-hmm.
Degree. Centigrade is pegged. Heavy rain, mini, cloudy.
Okay, so now let's make some sentences using this structure. Subject plus is or am plus are, and going to plus verb. Okay, so example.
Yes.
David is going to get married this year. Okay, so can you make another sentence, Viet In?
I am going to study physics
Yes, I am
next week.
going to study physics
Next week.
next week. Okay, that's correct. Okay, so this is another one. Look at those dark clouds. It's going to rain. Okay, can you make one more?
Uh, Look at the sunny. It is sunny today.
Okay, it is going to be sunny today. Okay,
Yes.
so right now let's have activity number one. Listen to these weather reports and then check the weather for each city. Okay, are you ready, Viet In?
Yes.
1. And here is today's weather forecast for the international traveler. Let's start with Beijing. It will be a cold day in Beijing today and windy. The low will be 0 and the high will be 6 degrees. 2. Mexico City will be warm and wet with a low of 23 degrees centigrade and a high of 28. 3. Tokyo is expecting cloudy weather with heavy rain. The low will be 4 degrees and the high 12. 4. New York is going to have a windy day. It will be very cold with a low of -10 and a high of 0. 5. In Taipei, it will be cloudy, wet, and hot today. The low will be 20 degrees and the high will be 30.
Okay, so now let us check. Okay, don't erase your answer. Let's put a tick. Cold, windy, wet, rainy, cloudy, windy, cold, hot, wet, and cloudy. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. Viet A, 9 points. Okay, so now let's have exercise number 2. Listen again, and then you have to write the temperature, okay? Okay.
Yes.
All right.
1. And here is today's weather forecast for the international traveler. Let's start with Beijing. It will be a cold day in Beijing today and windy. The low will be 0 and the high will be 6 degrees. 2. Mexico City will be warm and wet with a low of 23 degrees centigrade and a high of 28. 3. Tokyo is expecting cloudy weather with heavy rain. The low will be 4 degrees and the high 12. 4. New York is going to have a windy day. It will be very cold with a low of -10 and a high of 0. 5. In Taipei, it will be cloudy, wet, and hot today. The low will be 20 degrees and the high will be 30.
Finish? Okay, so now let's check your answers. Okay, don't erase so I can check it. So the low temperature of Beijing is 0 degrees Celsius. And then 6 degrees Celsius is the high. 23 degrees, 28, 12, 40, 10, 30, and 23. Okay, still got a high score. Very good. Okay, So now let's read the script, okay? And Viet Ain, I will read the first one and then you go next and then I will be the next and then after you, okay?
Yes.
So number
You
one.
first.
Yes, number one. And here is today's weather forecast for the international traveler. Let's start with Beijing. It will be a cold day in Beijing today and windy. The low will be 0 and the high will be 6 degrees.
Moscow City will be warm and wet, with a low of 23 degree centigrade and a high 28.
Mhm. Tokyo is expecting cloudy weather with heavy rain. The low will be 4 degrees and the high 12.
New York is going to have windy day. It will be very cold with a low of -10 and high of 0.
Mhm. In Taipei, it will be cloudy, wet, and hot today. The low will be 20 degrees and the high will be 30. Okay, next one. Okay, so now this is a new set of new words again. Can you read it?
Go out for work, go for a swim, put something on, wear, snow, downtown, a list, pool, snowball, flight, fight.
Okay, fight. Okay, so now, what do you mean by downtown?
Is the same supermarket at the city.
Yes, very good. It is located at the down part of the city. Okay. So now, this is a structure again with a subject plus to be plus 2 plus adjective plus for somebody plus 2 plus verb. Next one, subject plus verb plus 2 plus adverb plus for somebody plus 2 plus verb. So we have an example. Okay, can you read the example?
The food is too sad for me to eat.
Okay, the food is too hot for me to eat. Now, can you give me example?
The food is too sadly for me to eat.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so the next one. Okay, this is another example. Can you read it?
He ran too quick for anyone to cut him off.
Okay, he ran too quickly for anyone to catch him up. Okay, so this will be our last exercise. Exercise number 2. These people are asking about the weather. What will they wear or take with them? Listen and check the correct picture. Okay, so I will play it and just put a tick on the box of your
Teacher,
answer. Hmm.
today home, what time we start this class?
Um, I started at 10 p.m. exactly. Oh yeah, it's already time. I wasn't able to
Yeah.
check it. Okay, anyway, we can continue this one again on Friday, right?
Yes.
Okay, so that you can go to rest now. And I know you are tired of studying the whole day.
Yes, I must study physics finish.
Oh, you will still study after this one?
Yes.
Okay. Well, anyway, that's good. Okay, so good night now, Viet In, and see you again on Friday.
Yes. Good night, teacher.
Good night.
Yes. Good night.